Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Centers here in Greeley, Colorado. A beautiful mid-March day here. Got 3 of these in case anybody needs a tractor with a pusher. I've got 3 of these, all identical. One has a wet kit, the other 2 do not. These are all Cummins 565, 1850 torque, 18 speeds. Great off-road trucks. 14.6 steer axle. We'll take a look at the engine too. You get your pusher axle controls there, and you got a switch on the dash as well. Get your engine heater. Got a 135 fuel tank on this side, def tank behind the tank. 13.2 pusher with an 11R22.5 tire on it. With the 567, the passenger side is functional. This driver's side is non-functional. It's just aesthetics only. Single rear window. I can't remember. 46,000 pound rears. I'm sorry. 46,000 pound rears. Peterbilt air track suspension. 11R24.5 tires all the way around except for the pusher. Full lockers, as you can see. Disc brakes all the way around. Holland FW35 outboard mounted 5th wheel plate. 226 wheelbase. 2 of them are 226, one of them is a 229. Nice polished rims. It's got the mounting post here for the fenders if you want fenders on all of this for the pusher axle. Just a good solid work truck. The chrome around the Peterbilt and the vent is an option, so these have a little bit of dress up. Said is a 14.6 steer. We got the hot side of the engine here. Cummins X15, 15 liter. So you can put the hood back down. It's a 565 horse, 1850 torque. Davco fuel filter. Got your jump posts underneath the hood here. 14.6 steer. You cannot get an air ride in a 14.6 steer axle. You have to stay at 13.2 or less. And I don't have the keys for this one. It's just a basic standard interior. Nothing special. Cloth seats. 18-speed manual transmission. Like I said, I've got 3 of these. It was an order. They just came in incorrectly on the wheelbase. So we went ahead and brought them here to Greeley, and we need to get these sold. We won't be too proud of them. We just need to get them moved and get them moved fairly quickly. So if these would work for you, I will give you a really good price on them. One's got a wet kit, 2 do not. And it's a 2-line high pressure wet kit. I can get you the specs on a wet kit as well. So one's already upfitted, ready to go. It's Keith Couch, Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Centers, Greeley, Colorado, 970-691-3877. You can call or text. Sometimes text is better because sometimes my voicemail gets full really quick. Or you can email me at couchk, COUCHK, @rushenterprises.com. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon.